You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. The top word is the past tense of the verb to dig. It's pronounced dug. That's also the participle. Dig, dug, dug. Dug is how to say it. Now, the bottom word is of course the animal that you go around walking with, a dog. All right, dog. So dug has a schwa sound. Dug, a sound. O is a dog. It's an O sound. Dug, dog. Top word. Dug, dog. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those correctly? Was this any useful to dug, dog? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.